I'm glad to be here today with all the people from Asia Pacific. We are a networking structure, so it's important that we collaborate, at times face to face, where we see the real passion that we are exchanging among ourselves, exchanging ideas and experience directly. We are here also to celebrate our Great Place to Work result, which is an honor for us.
Yeah, so it's been a fantastic couple of days where we've had the opportunity to come together and exchange different ideas, different thinkings from all of our countries throughout the Asia Pacific cluster, with everything from India to New Zealand we've got represented here, where we've got different marketplaces, different focuses, and we share successes and we're able to multiply those successes into each other's marketplaces. And I think something that's very important for us is to understand the importance of our people and the exchange and the ability and opportunity that this presents for us to collaborate and be successful.
When we speak about the great place to work, I must say SICK India indeed is a synonym for great place to work. There is a big team bonding. There are various activities, exercises that take place on a regular basis across regional offices, through our headquarters and also our warehouses. So along with customer centricity, we also have maintained the theme as employee first. Recently, we conducted a survey for Great Place to Work across Asia Pacific, which is our cluster where India reports. And I'm very happy to say that India had a sample size of 99.24%. In fact, we are all here to celebrate these beautiful moments along with them.
We have very transparent communications. We share with the teams on the fundamental backgrounds of a particular objective. We enforce them to run independently, and more importantly, we allow mistakes and we grow together. This event gives us this opportunity to have a better understanding, a better deep dive into the strategy that we are embarking globally. And these face-to-face meetings is very valuable for us to exchange successes and learn mistakes from each other.
For the bonding and networking, if we can contribute business together, it means that we can create some more the sustainability of the business. You can see that today we have so many people in here. We can create some the good environment and network together after we have the meeting.
It's really nice to finally meet everybody in person, build those personal relationships and connections. It's been a lot of fun actually getting to talk to people, grow the deeper connections and actually understand people's motivations, what their challenges are, working out how we share the same difficulties and the same challenges and how we can overcome them together. So sharing that information has been really helpful. I'm very proud to be a member of the certification for Great Place to Work in Korea. We have a specific culture in Korea is that we have very well aligned, not only from MD side and also working level, including our leadership. We have regular meeting every quarter, and also we have medical and non-medical also mental checkup for this everyone.
This is a very exciting moment for all of us. So we obtain a Great Place of Working certification as well in 2026. Essentially, what are the important attributes that we're looking into from the people perspective? I think people is always being an asset for us. I think engagement with people, making them the right environment for them to continue to contribute the needs that they're supposed to serve for us, for the SICKs and for the growth on the SICK Sensei Intelligent.
In 2026, we obtained the Great Place to Work with a high percentage for Singapore and in Malaysia. For this week, we are very thankful for all the MDs, all the managing directors in the region to be here with us, to collaborate, to share our views, our insights, and to charter a path forward. So thank you once again, everyone.